What up, everybody? This is Matt with Survivalist 2012. I thought since it's so cold and we got tons of snow on the ground here, we're gonna try to make some snow cocoa. And what I mean by snow cocoa is what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our water sanitation device, and I'm gonna show you guys how to melt snow, make it safe to drink, and then mix it with some cocoa. So basically what we're going to do is we're using our water sanitation device here. We got our Trangia stove nice and heated up. So what we'll do is we'll take our little Heiny Pot here. And what I like to do, because these Heineken cans have a liner inside, if you will, I like to pour a little water in it just so it don't burn the liner. So I just got just a little bit of water in there, just so the Trangia stove doesn't burn the liner. I'm going to set that on. And what we'll do is we'll just get a little bit of snow here, and we'll just pack it in. Sure this is still going. It is. See, we just pack it to the top with snow. We'll set it on its little stand, and we'll cover it up. So this will get to melting, and we'll probably have to repeat this process 2 or 3 times, and we'll go from there, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright, looks like we're ready for round 2. We got about, I don't know, about a fourth a cup of melted snow in there already. Now, with this being just real fluffy, like air snow, it doesn't really yield a lot of water. So you got to do this a couple times depending on what kind of snow you're dealing with. And the good thing about this is we're only going to make 1 cup of cocoa. So the rest of the water that we have left over, we can put right back in our canteen. And it'll be all nice and sanitized. And this snow's melting really fast. So that's a good thing. So that should be good now for round 2. We'll more than likely skip round 3, and we'll go straight to filling the cup with cocoa after we get this to 212 degrees. So we'll be right back here in a couple minutes, guys. And we are a couple minutes past round 3. I wanted to kind of show you guys how it's shaping up. Now you guys can see the slush in there. So you just want to take your spoon and kind of help it out a little bit as it's going through its melting process. This is the first step of this, so after all this snow melts, and we got to wait for, you know, the water to sanitize. So we'll be sticking our thermometer in and waiting for it to get to 212 degrees. Alright, guys, we've been at a boil here for about 3 minutes. If you can see here, we're about at, I don't know, about 212 degrees. As you guys can see, we have a nice roaring boil there. So I can zoom in for you. Have a nice boil. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make our hot cocoa. So I'll get this camera down a little bit lower for you guys. There you go. Got our instant cocoa out. Got it poured in the cup here. Like I said, the good thing about making extra water is you can put the extra right back in your canteen. So that way it don't go to waste. So now got plenty of water. Got ourselves a nice cup of hot cocoa, SHTF style. Just give it a little stir here with our, like my fire spoon, spork I should say. I love this thing, man. This thing was only like $2 or $3. Extremely lightweight, fits in your bug out bag, and it's all 3 utensils in one. You got your spoon, your fork, and then right here has like a little cutting edge to it, kind of like a little serrated edge. And as you guys can see here, we have ourselves a nice cup of snow cocoa. So I just did this SHTF style for you guys, and completely made out of snow except for a little bit of water that we put in the bottom of our Heiny Pot just so it wouldn't melt the liner that we got inside, because once you screw that liner it's pretty much done. But as you guys can see, still looks good. And I did add some high temperature black paint to this thing. Kind of helps with the heating up. It helps it go a little bit quicker. So that's it, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Till then, this is Matt with Survivalist 2012. Peace.